Geometry is a branch of mathematics that relates various known characteristics of a figure to other characteristics of the same or similar figures. These characteristics may be size, shape, angles, and so on. If several characteristics are known, they can be used to calculate other characteristics that are unknown. The Pythagorean theorem is an equation that describes the relationship between the three sides of a right triangle. The theorem states that the sum of the square of the two leg sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. The legs are the sides next to the right angle, and the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. When a triangle has one side that is equal to 90 degrees, it's called a right triangle, and the Pythagorean theorem can be applied. For example, to solve for c, simply take the square root of both sides. This leaves the equation c equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. If side A equals 3 and side B equals 4, then c will equal 5. The equation can also be rearranged to find either of the other two sides. Here's a good example of the benefit of the Pythagorean theorem. A carpenter is installing new windows in a home. The windows measure 54 inches by 72 inches. The carpenter wants to ensure that the windows are square before securing them in place. To do so, he'll need to measure the diagonal of the window to confirm that it is the right distance and that the window is square. What should the diagonal measure? Let's find out. First, isolate the variable c by taking the square root of both sides. Then, substitute in the values for a and b. Finally, reduce the expression and simplify. In this example, the hypotenuse of the triangle should be 90 inches. If the diagonal of the window measures 90, then the carpenter knows the window will be square.